How to start trading with ICM, registration and verification. Go to www.icm.com and click Don't have an account. Complete your personal details and click Finish. You will then receive a confirmation email shortly. Go to Sign In page and sign in using your email and password. Once you have successfully signed in, you can create your demo account, add a new demo account, or live account, create a new trading account. To create a live account, you should upload photos of your documents, national ID, driver's license, to verify your identity and address. Click on the Upload Documents at the sidebar. For address confirmation, you may use your bank account statement or current utility bill. The documents must contain your full name and address.